राधे राधे आप सभी को कृष्णा अर्पण चैनल में आपका बहुत बहुत स्वागत है। चलिए अब हम सेक्शन 52 से लेकर 55 तक के प्रीलिम्स के क्वेश्चन डिस्कस कर लेते हैं। नंबर 1, अकॉर्डिंग टू इंडियन एविडेंस एक्ट विच वन अमंग द फॉलोइंग इज इरेलेवेंट? ए, एविडेंस ऑफ प्रीवियस गुड कैरेक्टर इन क्रिमिनल केसेस। बी, एविडेंस ऑफ प्रीवियस बैड कैरेक्टर इन रिप्लाई टू एविडेंस ऑफ प्रीवियस गुड कैरेक्टर इन क्रिमिनल केसेस। सी, एविडेंस ऑफ कैरेक्टर टू प्रूव द imputed conduct in civil cases. D, evidence of character to prove the imputed conduct in civil cases except when relevant. वीडियो को पॉज करिए और खुद से एक बार मेंटल एक्सरसाइज करिए कि इसका आंसर क्या होगा। तो आंसर इज सी, एविडेंस ऑफ कैरेक्टर टू प्रूव द imputed conduct in civil cases. Next question, evidence are adduced by the parties to the suit about the character. As per the provision of Indian Evidence Act, which of the following are correct? Number 1, evidence of the character in civil proceeding is irrelevant and inadmissible generally. Second, the character evidence is admissible if it affects the amount of damages which he ought to receive. Third, the character evidence is admissible insofar as such character appears from facts otherwise relevant. तो करेक्ट आंसर क्या है? 1, 1 and 2, 2 and 3, 1, 2 and 3. तो आंसर इज बी, 1 and 2 only. Next, character of a person for purpose of the law of evidence is not relevant in one of the following situation. A, previous good character of the accused in criminal cases. B, previous bad character in reply to evidence of good character in criminal cases. C, character as affecting the amount of damages in civil cases. D, character to prove conduct imputed in civil cases. तो क्या आंसर है जी इसका? Answer is D, character to prove conduct imputed in civil cases. Next, which of the following statement is correct? Evidence of character in civil cases is irrelevant. Previous conviction is relevant as evidence of bad character. Evidence of good character is relevant in criminal cases. Word cases character includes reputation only. तो क्या आंसर है जी? वीडियो को पॉज करिए और दिमाग पर जोर डालिए। जितने भी सेक्शन 52 से लेकर 55 तक के क्वेश्चन है, ये थोड़ा सा मेंटल एक्सरसाइज इन्वॉल्व करते हैं। आप एकदम से रीड करके इनका क्वेश्चन का आंसर नहीं बता सकते। तो बार बार मैं कहूँ वीडियो को पॉज करिए, ये मेरा कहना अच्छा नहीं है। आप खुद से ही हर क्वेश्चन के बाद वीडियो को पॉज कर दीजिएगा। ओके, तो क्या है इसका आंसर? आंसर इज ए, 1 and 3 are correct. Next, under which of the following section of Indian Evidence Act previous good character is relevant in criminal cases? Section 18, Section 49, Section 26 और Section 53. तो क्या है इसका आंसर? आंसर इज D, Section 53. Next, in criminal cases the fact that the person accused is of good character is not a relevant fact. Relevant fact cannot be proved is conclusive fact. तो क्या है इसका आंसर? आंसर इज बी, is a relevant fact. Next, in criminal proceeding, the fact that the person accused is of good character is relevant according to section 53, 54, 55 और 56. तो क्या आंसर है जी इसका? आंसर इज section 53. Next, in criminal cases, the good character is relevant under which section of Indian Evidence Act? 51, 52, 53 और 54. Answer is C, Section 53. Next, whether in criminal proceeding the previous good character of an accused person is relevant? No, yes, at the discretion of court, depends on the offence alleged. क्या है इसका आंसर? आंसर इज yes. Next, which one of the following statement is not correct? In civil cases, character to prove conduct is irrelevant. In criminal cases, previous good character is irrelevant. In civil cases, character as affecting damages is relevant. In criminal cases, previous bad character is irrelevant unless evidence has been given of good character. तो क्वेश्चन क्या पूछा है? विच ऑफ द फॉलोइंग स्टेटमेंट इज फॉल्स और इनकरेक्ट और नॉट करेक्ट? तो क्या है इसका आंसर? आंसर इज B. In criminal cases, previous good character is irrelevant. Next, in criminal proceedings, under which of the following situation the fact that the accused person has bad character is relevant? Number 1, where the character of the accused is an issue. Number 2, when it affects damages. Number 3, to rebut prior evidence of good character. और नंबर 4, where the court is satisfied. तो करेक्ट आंसर क्या है जी? आंसर इज डी, 1 and 3. Next, in criminal proceeding, the fact that the accused person has a bad character is irrelevant, relevant. C. Above A is correct unless evidence has been given that he has a good character. D. All the above are incorrect. तो आंसर इज C. Above A is correct unless evidence has been given that he has a good character. Next, which of the following statement is not true? In criminal proceedings, the fact that the accused is of a good character is relevant. Second, in criminal proceedings, the fact that the accused has a bad character is relevant. Third, a previous conviction is relevant as evidence of bad character. Fourth, in civil cases, the fact that the character of any person is such as to affect the amount of damages which he ought to receive is relevant. The answer is B. This statement is false. Next, in criminal cases, previous bad character of accused is relevant, always irrelevant, relevant when evidence has been given that he has a good character, relevant when evidence has been given that he has a good character, and when bad character is itself an issue. तो क्या है जी इसका आंसर? आंसर इज डी, relevant when evidence has been given that he has a good character and when bad character is itself an issue. Next, in criminal cases, previous good character of the accused is irrelevant, relevant, inadmissible or conclusive proof of innocence. तो क्या है इसका सही आंसर? आंसर इज बी, relevant. Next, character of person for purpose of the law of evidence is not relevant in one of the following situation. A. Previous good character of the accused in criminal cases. B. Previous bad character in reply to evidence of good character in criminal cases. C. Character as affecting the amount of damages in civil cases. D. Character to prove conduct imputed in civil cases. तो आंसर क्या है जी इसका? आंसर इज डी, character to prove conduct imputed in civil cases. Next, by which of the following amendments section 53A has been inserted in Indian Evidence Act? IT Act 2008, Indian Evidence Amendment Act 2002, Criminal Law Amendment Act 2005 और 2013. तो आंसर क्या है? आंसर इज डी, Criminal Law Amendment Act 2013. Next, which of the following statement is not correct? In a rape trial, evidence of previous good character of the accused is relevant. In a rape trial, evidence of character of the victim is not relevant. In a rape trial, evidence of previous sexual experience of the victim is relevant. Or none of the above. तो आंसर क्या है जी? आंसर इज इन अ रेप ट्रायल एविडेंस ऑफ प्रीवियस सेक्सुअल एक्सपीरियंस ऑफ विक्टिम इज रेलेवेंट. ये जो स्टेटमेंट है ये फॉल्स है. Next, in criminal proceeding, the fact that the accused person has a bad character is irrelevant, relevant. Above A is right unless evidence has been given that he has a good character. All the above statement are incorrect. तो इसका आंसर करिए, हम इसको ऑलरेडी डिस्कस कर चुके हैं. Next, a person is prosecuted for theft. Evidence is sought to be produced to prove that the accused is a bad character and suspect of theft on several occasions in the past. So here bad character is relevant, the evidence was inadmissible, the evidence was admissible or none of the above. तो क्या आंसर है इसका? आंसर इज सी, the evidence was not admissible. Next, under which section of the Indian Evidence Act bad character of an accused is not relevant? सेक्शन 54, 52, 53 और 118. तो क्या आंसर है इसका? सेक्शन 54. Next, under section 54 of Indian Evidence Act, previous bad character is irrelevant but becomes relevant if A. the bad character of a person is itself a fact. B, the bad character of a person is itself a fact in issue. C, the bad character is evidence to a previous conviction. D, both B and C. E, none of these. आराम से सोचिए इस क्वेश्चन को, अपना टाइम लीजिए और फिर इसका आंसर करिए. चलिए, तो आंसर क्या है इसका? आंसर इज डी, बोथ बी एंड सी. नेक्स्ट, द टर्म कैरेक्टर एज एक्सप्लेन्ड इन सेक्शन 55 ऑफ इंडियन एविडेंस एक्ट मीन्स good and bad character, reputation and disposition of a general nature, reputation formed on the basis of particular disposition, character in a criminal act. तो क्या आंसर है इसका? आंसर इज बी, reputation and disposition of general nature. Next, character as affecting damages has been discussed in which of the following section? सेक्शन 55, 56, 57 और 58. बताइए. आंसर इज ए, सेक्शन 55. रेलेवेंसी ऑफ फैक्ट्स इज कंटेन इन 5 से 55. विच ऑफ द फॉलोइंग इज द ट्रू स्टेटमेंट इन रिलेशन टू रेलेवेंसी ऑफ कैरेक्टर? इन क्रिमिनल केसेस प्रीवियस गुड कैरेक्टर इज इरेलेवेंट. इन क्रिमिनल प्रोसीडिंग्स प्रीवियस बैड कैरेक्टर इज रेलेवेंट. इन सिविल केसेस कैरेक्टर टू प्रूव कंडक्ट इम्प्यूटेड इज रेलेवेंट. इन सिविल केसेस कैरेक्टर ऑफ एनी पर्सन अफेक्टिंग द अमाउंट ऑफ डैमेजेस इज रेलेवेंट. तो क्या आंसर है जी इसका? आंसर इज डी, इन सिविल केसेस कैरेक्टर ऑफ एनी पर्सन अफेक्टिंग द अमाउंट ऑफ डैमेजेस इज रेलेवेंट. नेक्स्ट, assertion in criminal cases the fact that the accused is of a good character is relevant. Reason, in criminal cases bad character of the accused is always irrelevant. तो इसका आंसर क्या है? आंसर इज सी, A is true but R is false. Good character of a person is relevant in criminal proceeding, true or false? तो बताइए क्या है इसका आंसर?
अब चलिए सेक्शन 52 से 55 से रिलेटेड मेंस के क्वेश्चन डिस्कस कर लेते हैं. नंबर 1, लिस्ट द सिचुएशन व्हेन एविडेंस ऑफ बैड कैरेक्टर कैन आल्सो बी गिवन. डू यू थिंक दैट इंडियन लॉ ऑफ एविडेंस इज बेस्ड ऑन लॉ एंड नॉट ऑन लॉजिक? कमेंट. सेकेंड, state the essential conditions for admissibility of evidence of character in civil cases.
तो ये थे हमारे इस टॉपिक से रिलेटेड प्रीलिम्स और मेंस के क्वेश्चन. आपको इन क्वेश्चन को एक बार नहीं, 2 बार नहीं, कम से कम 3 बार रिवाइज करना है, जिससे सारे के सारे क्वेश्चन आंसर आपके माइंड में अच्छे से सेट हो जाएं. थैंक्स फॉर वॉचिंग द वीडियो. जय हिंद, जय भारत.